didn't have manner. I don't know why other people just like that. Didn't mind the feelings of anybody else. Thank you so much. Where are you from? Philippines. Make sure everyone to say good first. Thank you. Thank you, Puffy Dog. Puppy Dog. How is going today? Doing good, guys. Doing good. I'm doing good. May ada din sura. May linuto pa din nga sura. Hi Paul, welcome. Showing apples. Showing apples. The Arizona sky. No lemons. Ah, I have some. But wait. May gulay din may ano din may ano pa yun? Ano nga din, may ano din ano tawag ito? May isang libo. I need to wear pants. No, I have shorts. My God. Excuse me. Papi, I'm sorry, lots of troll on your life. Because maybe because of I have an apple and lemon that was there. Would you like to say? I'm sorry, I thought you not wearing. No, I have shorts. I'm wearing shorts, guys. Guys, don't think too much about it. I'm not naked here. I don't know why other people is thinking about it that I'm just naked here. I'm not just naked, I'm just have something. I'm sorry. Ako balo kinikaya. Yeah, you just worried, Mom. Sorry. Kukak, where you from? Can you do thumbs up for me? Bobby, how are you? You just want to look at that? My plants was good now. You just want to see, guys? I will show you my plants. Papi, you just want to see? You just want to look at it? I'll show